Hey everyone, this is just a quick tutorial. I searched for everything I could and couldn't really find a good tutorial on this, so I just decided to make one. The For You is automatic, following is there. If you want to add more tabs, that's what this video is about, how we're going to do that. So For You, you can't adjust, you can't change. Following is the same thing. That's going to be defaulted on a lot of the things you've got in there. But if you want to learn, I made a column for machine learning. Here's one, Georgia coverage. It can keep on scrolling all the way through here. So I like memes. There's one for memes. Um, but how do you get these things started? How do you add all these things? And I'm going to show you here. All you do is go to More and then Lists. Create your list down here. So whatever you guys want to make it, go ahead and you can either create one, or like this one for endocrinology has 53, artificial intelligence has 545 right now at the moment. These are just some examples. You can make your own if you want and just follow or tailor it however you want. The tricky part though is you've got all these lists, and essentially I've got probably 10 or 20 lists here, but I don't have all those listed on my home page. My home page only has maybe 8 or 9, 10, something like that, up here that I've got listed. So what I've done, or how I've cracked the code here, is just go back to lists and this funny pin sign. Yeah, so it's just that simple. If you don't want it your cover anymore there, like you want to get rid of Georgia coverage, click on the unpin there, go back to your home page, and now Georgia is not up here next to machine language. It's now health. So something to think about there. If you want to crash on health, hey, here's all the stuff that I guess I don't have too much added for this guy. But machine language, I've got kind of a collection that I've made, or I think it's already been made, excuse me, for this one. And you can go through, get the latest on that if you want to just kind of learn about machine language. I like looking at memes as another example. So here are some memes. You can be scrolling through memes all day long. And these you can tailor, like declaration of memes is one guy, spill the memes is another. So however many people you want to add to it. Of course, I'm getting the same two popping up right now. Spill the memes, fight with memes, whatever. So add as many as you want, tailor it however you want, and you can add them to your list there. So anyhow, I don't want any follow me's or any of that crap. Just thought a simple tutorial out there, and you can send a like if you want. I don't care. But anyhow, this is just an idea of how to get around with adding more tabs at the top. Once again, For You and following, you can't change.